I know you're overwhelmed with social media and where you should be posting and which platforms should you be focusing on, but there's one social media platform that most of us tend to forget. And this social platform could actually be game-changing for your business and you don't even know it yet. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 quick ways to get started on LinkedIn to start seeing results faster than like Instagram results. Hi, my name is Trina. If you are new here, welcome back to my channel. And here I help creative entrepreneurs just like you find the confidence to be on video because you deserve to be the face of your business. Now, when we are on video, we immediately think YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, but LinkedIn is such a gold mine for business owners right now because so many people aren't realizing how to use it effectively. So since I'm brand new at LinkedIn and I'm just getting started with my LinkedIn strategy, I decided to bring Cassandra on, who is a LinkedIn expert, to show you 3 simple ways you can get started on LinkedIn and see results quickly. Hi all, thanks Trina for having me on. In case we haven't met, I'm Cassandra and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips to gain career confidence. And so today we are talking about my absolute favorite thing, which is LinkedIn. Now, I think LinkedIn is the missing link, no pun intended, in most business owners' social media presence. And so today I want to give you 3 tips on how to use LinkedIn in your business. So number 1, you need to be posting on LinkedIn 2 to 3 times a week just to build your brand and business reputation. Post about what's going on in your business. Post about your thoughts on something trending in the industry. It could be as simple as sharing your workspace and saying, this is the messy desk I am working from today, but messy means creativity in my brain. What about you? And then it gets people talking. Like, the way to post on LinkedIn is you can post about anything as long as it's through the realm of professionalism and business. So I think you could post about your lunch as long as it's talking about how it gave you energy to be productive, and you ask a question like, what do you eat to keep your energy up in the afternoon, slump? Or what do you do to beat afternoon lethargy? I can't talk. Something like that. So it doesn't have to be buttoned up professionalism all the time, just something in the realm of your business. So I think sometimes a lot of our creative business owners think, but LinkedIn is for corporate kind of business. It's not for my sewing patterns, or it's not for my fine art hand lettering. Yes, it is, because that's your business. If I went on LinkedIn and started showing my hand lettering designs that I do as a hobby, people would be like, what is she doing? Why is she posting this? What does this have to do with anything? But if that's your business, that's what you should be posting. It makes total sense for you to do so. So whatever your business is, just talk about it on LinkedIn. The fact that you are there automatically gets you seen as a thought leader and a brand leader. So start posting content. Okay, so the second way to use LinkedIn, you can build your leads and your brand connections. So let's say there is a brand you would love to work with. Y'all, you can reach out straight to that brand and you can find the company, the brand manager, the marketing person, whoever it is, send them a connection request and say, hey, I love your company, or mention the specific product you love and ask them to connect there on LinkedIn. Because you are connected, not just following, now when you post all that good content we talked about in tip 1, they will now see it and they will start thinking of you to be a representative of their brand, or to be an influencer for their brand, or to collaborate. The opportunities will start coming. And then the third way to use LinkedIn for your business is what I call the business adjacent work. So maybe you don't want to go on LinkedIn to find leads, but maybe you want to use it
like I said before, to get those brand deals, or maybe you want to use it because you want to start becoming more of a podcast guest to get your brand name out there or get more speaking gigs. This is a great thing to do on LinkedIn. If you start posting content, if you put in your headline that you are a podcast guest or a speaker, people are going to start searching those terms and they're going to find you. So you want to be building the content and then also putting out there what you're looking for. Hey, I would love to be a podcast guest on your show. Oh, I would love to speak at your next event. Or even, like I said, just putting it in your headline starts connecting the dots for people, and then they start seeing your content and go, okay, I need to have her on my show. She would be a great guest. I promise the opportunities just start coming. You don't even have to seek them out. It's gonna go even faster if you also seek them out, but if you're just posting and you've put those words in your headline, people will start coming to you. So I hope these tips have been helpful in just scratching the surface really of all you can do with LinkedIn, but these are great places to start. So dive into the platform. Of course, connect with me over there. I would love to be connected with you. And thanks again to Trina for having me on her channel. I really appreciate this. And make sure you go check out her tips on my channel today as well.
That is exactly why I'm planning to get started on LinkedIn. Thank you so much, Cassandra, for sharing that with us. Make sure you go over and watch my video on her channel today, where I'm walking you through some easy steps to get started on video, and subscribe to her channel. Now, I know adding one more thing to your to-do list can be overwhelming, so why don't you check out this video on your screen right now, where I show you how I plan out my entire content calendar so that it's actually saving me time and not taking more time to create more content. I'm just using my time effectively, and that video is going to show you how I do that. I'll see you on that video.